Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is look and see what kind of traits are available in this set of data. And so I'm going to be using now and throughout this, I'm going to be using the package dplyr, which is a really useful R package for cleaning and processing data. And so I'm going to take my season 4 data frame, and I'm going to go ahead and look at all the unique values in the trait column and see what types of trait data are available. I'm going to take my data frame, season 4. These pipes, if you're not familiar with dplyr, these pipes are what dplyr uses to do different actions on your data frames. So I'm going to use this function from dplyr called distinct, and then I'm going to use it on the trait column. And so that's just going to look, that's going to return all the unique values in the trait column. And I want to look at all of them, so I'm going to print them out to the console. This n equals inf means that I want to print all of them to the console. So we can look, see there's a lot of different types of traits that are available, a bunch of different plant physiology parameters and different things. And and the trait that I'm going to use is not actually on this in this subset of data. Okay. So I'm gonna, let's say I'm interested in looking at one trait, which is canopy height. So basically how tall the plants are. And so I can actually go back and pull different sets of data using the DB query function. And so I just want to, let's say I want to just pull canopy height trait data. And so the way that I do that is I'm going to make a new data frame called canopy height, use that DB query function. And this time I'm going to include an argument for the trait that I want, which is canopy underscore height. And this time I'm going to say that I want my data from season 6 instead of season 4. And I'm going to specify that I only want the first 250 observations, just so it doesn't take as long. Okay, so I now have well, it's still working. But in a minute, I'll have a second data frame, and this one will only have canopy height trait observations. So if I look at the traits column, you can see that it's all canopy height.